Problem number 11, same thing, area of a circle is pi r squared. I'm given 22. The problem is that 22 is the diameter. I can't plug 22 in for r. So to find the radius, I'm just going to take the diameter and divide it by 2. So I'm going to take 22 and divide it by 2, which means my radius is equal to 11 inches. Okay? Now I'm going to take 11 and plug that in for the radius. So my area is equal to pi, which is 3.14 approximately, times 11 squared. Again, according to, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiply, D stands for division, A stands for adding, and S stands for subtraction. I go down the list. I have numbers inside the parentheses, but there's no mathematical operations on the inside. Cross that off the list. Next thing on the list, exponents. Do I have an exponents? Yeah, right here. What's 11 squared? Well, 11 squared is 121. So I'm going to take 11 times 11 and plug in 121 in that spot. All right, cool. Now I just got to plug in my calculator. What is it? 3.14 times 121. And I get 124. Whoops, no, I added them. 3.14. 3.14 times 121. Times 121. All right, there we go. So now my area is 79.94, I think it is. And that's it. 379.94 what? Inches squared. Ran out of room there, but that's okay. So 379.94 inches squared is the area of the circle if the diameter is 22 inches, which means the radius is 11 inches.